In the Pacific lies an island that is founded on their communal way of life, the Fa'asamoa, which is the unique socio-political culture. The people of Samoa is taught at a very young age to value the four aspects, which are religion, culture, family, and education. These four aspects are instilled within us so that we can embrace who we are as the people of Samoa. Our Samoan culture is the forefront of the pillars that we try so hard to preserve. But in the midst of each generation, the people of Samoa have come to conclude that change is good. But is it really? As time moves along, our community has gone through a drastic change. A change in religion, family, education, but mostly a change in our culture. These four aspects are embodied in the values that are instilled in our upbringing as a Samoan individual. We are surrounded with these specific values, but as time comes along, things also change. It takes a community to raise a child. It also takes a community to protect the values as time fades. How is it possible for our own people back then to keep the Sabbath day holy? Because back then, we realized that the purpose of religion is to achieve the goals of salvation for oneself and others, because there is a God to worship and praise. But now, we are living in a time period where religious beliefs aren't as important as before. We focus more on our mobile devices rather than the spiritual message presented to us. How is it back then we used traditional items for gatherings, and yet nowadays we use items from different countries to present at these gatherings? It is up to us to find the true meaning of the Samoan ways we were brought about by our ancestors. We all say we know the importance of our culture, but if our culture was that important, why have we not done anything to preserve it from fading away? Back then, everyone knew their roles and responsibilities in their families, but now it's a whole different story. We're in a phase where people have different mentalities of what they should do or should not do pertaining to their roles in our families. Why was it so easy for our people back then to have the mentality that education is the key and that it is the way out towards a good life, when our generation today don't know the importance of education anymore? These days, the students of our generation don't know the impact that their education has on their future. Everyone is doing education for the fun of it and has no care whatsoever as to where they might end up. These are the questions we should be asking ourselves. We're starting to lose the importance of whom we truly are. It is up to us to protect our beliefs, family, culture, and education. It's only a matter of time before everything starts to grow into the darkness of the land of the lost. It's finally time to realize and to actually hear the silent cries behind our values. The time is near, and only we can make change happen by returning to our past ways and practices. For the gatherings of all four aspects of what makes a community symbolizes that this collaboration can result to us returning to our center. Our Samoan community.